Hop into the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Choose the minivan that's safe, smart, comfortable, and fun to drive. The Pacifica ticks all the boxes. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your most precious cargo is in good hands. The Pacifica has your family's back. Test drive it today.